Hello, here is Inga from Inga's Color Art. I hope you're fine. Well, I am, and in this video I'm going to show you an acrylic pouring technique. So I've chosen the open cup technique, but I'm going to make a double one, and since it's the time around Christmas, I have chosen some red and green colors, and I'm going to use white as my base and a little gold. So I think I'm going to write you the colors in the description below. I'm not going to use silicone in this pouring, so I don't get huge cells, but of course some little ones. So I hope you enjoy my video, and give me a like please, and don't forget to subscribe.